Please join me, Yael Calhoun of GreenTREE Yoga, for the first in a series of short videos to support making any program more trauma-informed. The topic for Part 1 is sharing short breathing breaks for trauma recovery and for pain management. Be confident that sharing these breaks can be a break for you as well. The GreenTREE Yoga approach to breathwork has 3 components. Building safety comes from pairing simple breathwork with hand movements, as someone can experience body awareness and self-regulation. Supporting empowerment comes from giving someone choices instead of micromanaging with directive language. And maintaining simplicity comes from not explaining the reasons or using complex breathwork. This breathwork format is based on body physiology. The simple and consistent format makes it easy to understand and easy to remember. Consistency builds a base of the familiar as well, so someone can then focus on body and breath awareness. Let's consider the format of a breath we will practice in a minute. The breath begins with pressing the shoulders back, cues the hand placement, notes the name and number of breaths, cues the breath, and ends with a hand movement. If you like, practice with me now. When you are ready, gently press one shoulder back, then press the other shoulder back. If you like, put one or both hands over your heart. Put one or both hands over your heart. The suggestion is to practice the finger press breath 3 times. As you breathe in, fingers press. As you breathe out, release the press. As you breathe in, fingers press. As you breathe out, release the press. As you breathe in, fingers press. As you breathe out, release the press. If you like, gently move the fingers on one hand or shake that hand. Then, gently move the fingers on your other hand or shake that hand. Let your hands be as still as you would like them to be. Here are a few guiding ideas as you share the breaks. The consistent use of trauma-informed language, for example, when you are ready, if you like, the suggestion is, and always breathe and move in a comfortable way, supports the GreenTREE Yoga approach. If you introduce one breath fact to meet the needs of your group, the suggestion is to do it after someone is familiar with the break. At that point, one simple fact, either longer breaths in can be energizing or longer breaths out can lower blood pressure, empowers through choice. Embrace your role as a guide, not a director. Note that for some, long breaths in or long breaths out can be agitating. Emphasizing the word you can create breath awareness. Using the empowering cue as you breathe in also solves the problem of trying to match breathing patterns. Teaching consistent scripts, that is not adding extra words or explanations, keeps your program safe, predictable, and consistent. Practicing the breaks as you teach provides more visual cues and can activate someone's social engagement system. So whether you are leading the break, listening to the MP3, or using a flip chart, practice together. A final note. Be aware of your pacing, not too fast and not too slow. A simple way to practice how you sound is record an audio of one short break. Practice the break as you listen. Make your changes and record again. Practice the break with someone. Thank them for their comments. Set yourself up for success as you work with those in trauma recovery and with those searching for pain management strategies. The scripts, the audio and video files, and handouts to share are at this link.